Hi, it's Nicholas. Welcome to my Passive Empire review. This is a course. This is a complete brand new training course created by Cynthia. This is also how to he will teach you. She will teach you how to build massive income, passive automated income, day in and day out with completely free traffic. So in this video, I'm going to show you the members area, and I also have some exclusive bonus related to this passive empire. And I also will go through, and I'm going to go through the price and upsell as well. If it is something you are interested in, please stay with me till the end of the video. And don't forget to hit and subscribe, and hit the like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So what I have exclusive bonus for you The bonus I have offered to you is bonus number 1 is a 10 high converting campaign templates you can use to sell them, because this course is about how you can make more money. So I have some exclusive bonus to help you make more passive income. The e-com products, if you have no idea how to sell it, this is our template for you to see what is the 10 hot selling e-com product. Bonus number 2 is 100k essence blueprint. It's a step-by-step blueprint. We have to teach you how to start and keep learning consistently with Google AdSense. If you have a blog, you can apply Google AdSense. Anyone see the AdSense and click, and you will get paid. This is very simple. How to do that? This guy will teach you how to do that. Bonus number 3, $100 per day from your phone. If you have a phone, how to make money from it. Bonus number 4 is A to C launch checking guide. It's about when it is also what I have to doing, and also other affiliates to do. This is also the every product launcher how to do the launch checking. This is also I have included for you. Bonus number 5 is a feature sheet, how to make 6 to 7 figures in commission for ClickBank with target Google traffic. If you have a blog, you need to how to drive traffic to Google. Other than Google AdSense, you can make money from ClickBank. This is also the answer. And at ClickBank, you will get a much higher commissions. About 75 to some of them you do have a highly targeted, you will get up to 19%. This is up to the render decision. Excuse me. Bonus number 6 is the closing high ticket sales, a step-by-step course that teaches the hacks and tricks required to lock down high ticket offer. This is also high ticket offer. You make money online. Some of the high ticket offer about is 997 to 1997. This is also something you will offer 2000. You will get 50% commission. This is very awesome. Just 1997 you will get paid $500. This is also what is the super ability to learn much more money by promoting high ticket sales, high ticket offer. Bonus number 7, you will free book to teach you how to easily and fastly to start learning on Fiverr. If you have some special skill. Bonus number 8 is about 15 KDP books to make $104. 50 different KDP book, low content books that make $100 a day with no design skill. This is also very awesome. You don't have to write anything, a very long ebook, and you will get all the exclusive bonus from vendor. So if you are still interested in my exclusive bonus, and I will walk you through what is the inside the members area. Simply use if you want to log on all my exclusive, simply click the link below in the description. The first thing you will come to my bonus page. When you come to this bonus page, whenever you click this blue button before the countdown timer, all my exclusive bonus will be automatically delivered inside the Warrior plus this blue button, and you will get all my exclusive bonus. So And look at what is inside the members area. What is the sales page? What is the sales page? Let's take a look in what is the sales page. This is the passive empire. Passive empire within 30 minutes has produced automatic income day in and day out. This is completely free traffic. And you will see some of his her result with income proof. You can see it for yourself because the sales page is little longer. You can see it for yourself. It's simply is our creator John Newman is his business partner. So let's take a look at what inside in the members area. The members area is very clean. This is just about 10 modules. The module 1 is a welcome email, welcome video. This is also show them is Cynthia, the creator, and also his business partner, John Newman. And then the module number 2. Module number 2 is a walkthrough. It's also very brief to walk you through inside the members to walk you through inside the members area. Module 2 is about the walk you through the members area. And module 3 and Cynthia will go through them. What is the three biggest profitable niche that you can tap into? The niche is about the market. He will teach you how to what are the three most profitable niche and how to niche down the sub niche because every niche is too broad, and how to sub niche is also very important. You just focus on one niche only. And module number 4 is how when you go through the niche, how to find offer you can propose. This is also about kickback, JV and WordPress. JV and WordPress is about make money online. JV is most of them is software. WordPress is about training course. But the kickback, if you are not interested in make money online, niche this is a marketplace. You will have different niche. You can go for it. And the best part, you don't have to get an approval vendor developer, but JV and WordPress. If you are new to affiliate marketing, you the possibility that this is not approved by the vendor. And module number 5 is also how to make passive income by building your blog. Blog is other than blog. You will have to have 3 different ways you can make money online. This also you have to domain hosting and all and WordPress stream. She will teach you how to do that to build your blog and make passive income. Module 6 the funnel is about how to this is also divided into the funnel is about and how to build your landing page or script. The most important thing is to build your list. Is to just simply you grab their email address and then you will grab and auto enter into your autoresponder, and autoresponder you will get email to follow up over there, and also you have to broadcast. You will have something very new or anything you want to promote or build your relationship. You will have send the broadcast. It is also included ClickFunnels and file architecture. ClickFunnels is you can if you want to use it is a membership and software that you can build and many page builder, but it is also a little expensive. It is about $97 per month. But if you have built your WordPress, you can go to and Fiverr to outsource someone to put into this 5 architectures. It's about $5 is $5, but the $5 is very very cheap. You can get this. Module number 7 give review just how to do the review SI and other affiliate marketer do the daily basis. With how to do that, she will teach you how to do, and this is also a launch tracking. This is also how about I have also has some exclusive bonus for you to learn launch tracking, and you can see how you can see that. Module number 5 is the evergreen video. It is also about YouTube other than launch tracking as I do and other marketer also affiliate marketer do them every single day. It is when someone new product will go to launch and we will do some review and also as exclusive bonus review and buy from me and you will get and I will get commission. This is simply just to provide the suggestion what is inside the member cell, whether if you buy from me and you will get all my exclusive bonus. Module 5, Module 6, Module 9 is the result. Here she will teach you, she will show you the income too. Module 10 is about the conclusion. And also the sales page will include 4 different to 5 different bonus. If you want to grab the OTO, you can grab it inside the members area. So lastly, I will take you through what is the upsell and the price. All the front end is just $12.95. It's a no-brainer. This is also not too much money. Upsell number is an advanced training. You will and Sylvia will teach you advanced strategy to explore your result. 27 downsell for $70. Upsell number 2 is done for you $47 with downsell $37. You will get done for you the bonus page every week for 1 year. But you have to commission goal. And I will do this bonus page is you need to commission goal. And you will they will hold your bonus page and the bonus. This is completely no-brainer. This is the easy way you can get it for just about $49 per year. So I highly recommend you to grab this upsell number 1 and upsell number 2 because you will save all your time to prepare for your sale. Upsell number 3 is the Empire license rider, $67 with downsell $47. You will sell this product as your owner. You keep 100% commission. Upsell number 4 is the coaching, $197. No downsell is Sylvia will teach you how to do that, and you will need everything regarding internet marketing. You will ask, he will teach you how to do that. So this is no hype. This is also the pop out result consistent step-by-step training. 30 minutes to set up your very own passive empire. Set it once and continue profiting. So bonus number 1, 10 high converting campaign for physical e-commerce. Bonus number 2 is 100K AdSense blueprint. Bonus number 4 is $100 per day from your phone. Bonus number 4 is an A to C launch checking guide. Bonus number 5 is a free choices how to make money with commission with ClickBanner. Bonus number 6 is how to closing high ticket sales. Bonus number 7 free book how to easily and fast way to start learning on Fiverr. Bonus number 6 is 15 KDP books make $100 for how to make $100 with KDP book. And also you will get all the exclusive bonus from vendor. Don't forget, you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer. When you click this button in the description below, the first link is my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, and when you click this blue button, go to the sales page and purchase. Even if you just purchase the front end, you will get all my exclusive bonus. This is due and automatically delivery inside the Warrior Plus. So thanks for taking time to check out my passive empire review and bonus. Don't forget to like and hit the like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hope you like my review. See you.